Blayne Alexander is in Jackson, Mississippi, where the state's only abortion clinic is located. The very same clinic that went to court to challenge the Mississippi abortion ban at the heart of today's decision. And Blayne, it's not lost on us. We're looking at these protests right now. We're hearing from, leadership in Washington. But what this will impact is the people in that community and communities like it across the country. Tell us what the reaction is there.
You know, Lester, this is truly a polarizing case, no matter where you look, but perhaps no more so than right here in Mississippi. As you said, this is the case that launched this to the Supreme Court. And as I've spent time talking to people on both sides of the issue here in Mississippi, for people who have spent years kind of in the anti-abortion space, who have been fighting for years to essentially take down Roe, there's almost this sense of pride that Mississippi was the case to, in one woman's words, essentially bring down Roe. There's a sense that it originated here in Mississippi, that their state was the one that played such a key role in this. I've been talking with some people, some who have spent almost 30 years essentially advocating for the end of abortion, and their reactions are very striking. Tears, lots of tears. That's what one person texted me, calling it surreal. Another person saying they're just simply thankful, and others saying that this is just the beginning. Now, I want to underscore the point. We talk about kind of the opinion across the country. Many people across the country, the majority, in fact, of Americans believe in a right to abortion, access to abortion. That's not the case here in Mississippi. In fact, recent polling shows that some 59% of people here in the state of Mississippi believe that abortion should be illegal in most cases. So what we're seeing here, while people have told me they're not going to be out in the streets celebrating, they're not going to be out necessarily holding grand press conferences or celebrating publicly, they say that this is just the beginning. What their focus now is to kind of go out and give access and resources to women who now are going to have a different path forward. Lester.
Okay, Blayne, thank you for that. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.